You've probably heard the term energy block, but what does it really mean? At its core, an energy block is a disruption in the natural flow of life force through your body. Imagine your body like a river of electricity and emotion, where each thought, each experience, each trauma either allows that river to flow or causes it to dam. Energy blocks aren't just spiritual metaphors. They show up as fatigue, anxiety, chronic pain, emotional outbursts, or even illness. They are the invisible roadblocks between where you are now and your highest state of vitality. Most people treat the symptoms of these blocks without ever addressing the block itself. And here's the real truth. Energy blocks are almost always created through unprocessed experiences, things we didn't feel fully, things we were taught to suppress, things we were told to be ashamed of. They take root quietly in childhood, in heartbreak, in stress, in silence. Over time, they shape how energy moves in the body, or doesn't. Energy follows attention. And when your attention is locked in fear, resentment, guilt, or shame, energy starts to stagnate. Let's say you experienced a rejection early in life. Instead of processing that moment, you internalize the belief, I'm not good enough. That belief didn't stay in your mind. It coded itself into your body. Your nervous system adjusted. Your posture changed. Your breath got shallow. Your body literally adapted to carry that belief like armor. These unconscious beliefs are not just thoughts. They are energetic instructions. They tell your body how to protect you, how to contract, and how to survive. Over time, these patterns of protection become blocks. Your energy can't flow freely when your subconscious is looping old stories. The problem is, most people don't even realize this is happening. They think something is wrong with their body, when really, the body is obeying a very old instruction. From a scientific standpoint, energy blocks show up in measurable ways. They alter the electromagnetic field of your body. They change how your nervous system fires. They influence hormone release and muscle tension. This isn't mystical, it's physiological. When energy is blocked in your body, you feel it. You might call it anxiety, exhaustion, chronic pain, or disconnection. You might even feel like you're doing everything right, meditating, eating well, journaling, but you're still stuck. Why? Because energy doesn't respond to effort. It responds to flow. To remove a block, you have to create new coherence. That means bringing the nervous system, the emotions, the breath, and the intention back into alignment. This is what opens up the circuits. This is what allows energy to move again. Healing is the byproduct of energy returning to its natural rhythm. Here's what I need you to remember. You are not broken. You are powerful. You are a creator of energy, not just a receiver. Every single day, you are either reinforcing old patterns or rewriting them with intention. You are not at the mercy of energy blocks. They are not permanent. They are feedback, showing you where your attention, belief, or story has hardened into restriction. But the moment you bring awareness to that place, you've already begun to shift it. You can breathe life into the blocked places. You can move the energy. You can rewire the pattern. This is not just healing. This is awakening. So speak it aloud if it helps. I am powerful. I am a creator. I am not defined by my past energy. I choose a new signal now. One of the most powerful ways to restore energetic flow is to reconnect with nature. Your body is nature, and nature doesn't hold blocks. It flows, it breathes, it regenerates. So, When your system is stuck, go to the source. Take a walk in the forest. Stand barefoot on the earth. Let your feet touch the sand. Sit by a creek. Listen to the birds. Feel the breeze across your skin. Nature is not just beautiful, it's an energetic recalibration tool. Science confirms that grounding, connecting directly to the earth, restores voltage, reduces inflammation, calms the nervous system, and boosts overall vitality. Nature teaches you how to flow again. If you've been feeling blocked, ask yourself, when was the last time I really felt the earth beneath me? When was the last time I watched a tree sway in silence? When was the last time I let myself be, without needing to fix anything? You don't have to figure everything out. You just have to return to the rhythm that was always yours. Energy blocks are not failures, they're invitations. Invitations to listen more deeply, to release more gently, to live more fully. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. We explore energy, healing, and human consciousness, not from hype, but from a grounded place of remembrance. Remember, you are electric. You are alive. You are powerful.